Alright, hey guys, here we have a 29-inch Emerson North Wind in white. This was another habitat score from the other day. I've always wanted one of these little North Winds to test out. I just think they're a really cute, adorable little fan from Emerson. So when the opportunity came to buy one, I obviously jumped on it since it was considerably cheap. And it is in fairly good condition. The only thing that really is less than exceptional is the canopy. It somehow has a really bad dent. I have a hunch that this was maybe hung on like an angled ceiling that was more than the canopy could accommodate for, and it had a longer down rod, so they just kind of bent it. But I don't really know. So yeah. These things have an incredibly steep pitch. I don't exactly know what that is. I would guess like 15-ish. I don't feel like doing the math. Math is too difficult. And then these cute little blades. Just overall a really cute little fan. Yeah, they're really cool, but I just don't think they're worth what they are in retail. The 52-inch size retails for like $200, and this size retails for I think about $140, which I just think is outrageous for a fan of this size. I mean, it's a good fan. I just think it's a little bit overpriced. Anyways, let's go ahead and test it on low. And honestly, it's not really that bad of a low speed. Some of these little 56 to 30-inch fans really fly on low. I think this is pretty practical. You know, it's still a nice low speed, but you still get a good breeze from it because of that steep pitch. Let's go to medium. These blades actually do reverse over to a bleached oak side, but I decided to stick with the white because I don't really care for bleached oak. And for high. Now it does have a very slight wobble that I wasn't able to correct. These little fans are kind of a pain to balance. Alright, and let's spin down. One of these days I'd like to test out the Emerson Tilo, which is the same size, it's just 3 blades. The motor's a little bit more rounded too. Yeah, as I suspected, spin down is fairly quick. There's barely any drag on the motor. Yeah, these are definitely a powerful little fan, good for like hallways and bathrooms. Just pricey. Alright, well there's my Emerson North Wind. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.